project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
No! This is not it! Oh, Sue. Huh?
Hey, Sammy, what are you doing here? You look tired.
Ugh, I've been watching our videos for the whole night. But I still can't figure out a craft we haven't made yet.
Don't worry. I'm sure together we'll think of something very interesting.
I wish I had memory storage like an Inside Out, you know.
It's actually a great idea. Let's make a storage with memories for you, too. All our crafts will be gathered there.
Cool.
But first, cleaning.
Oh, as always.
Let's start by picking out the material for our craft. Any ideas?
Wait, let me check. Maybe we could knit our craft, Sue?
It won't do. This way it would be too soft.
Okay. Then, how about colored paper?
Well, the paper is too thin, although we can use it to decorate the craft.
Then let's take some cardboard.
Now we're talking. So first we need to make a circle. By the way, I wrote the necessary sizes on each piece so that you can repeat it, guys. Now we need to measure 2.5 centimeters from the side. Next, I'll use a compass to draw a circle.
I bet you're gonna need to cut it out.
That's right. Friends, remember to be very careful with sharp objects. We'll need more pieces like this.
Huh? What is this window?
It's not a window. It's an opening for the memories. Now we need our magic super glue. Here we go. Press it all together and add a few more layers. It kind of looks like a waffle cake.
Oh, that would be a big cake. I have to save this poor cake.
Hey, what's going on?
Ouch! You weren't supposed to spot me.
Actually, I can use this for the craft. Thank you, oh mysterious stranger.
Ouch! You weren't supposed to spow. Is it a never-stopping peg top? It spins fast. It makes me so sleepy. Call me when it stops.
Sammy, there's no time for sleep. Better stay awake and help me.
Okay.
What do you think we could make the memories from?
I'm thinking. Hold on a second. Well, of course. I think I got it. I totally got it. Sue, I need your pretty rings. People say that they store the energy of their owner. And your energy is super kind.
Are you sure, Sammy? I love my rings so much. Can't we use something else?
You must trust me, Sue. Positive energy equals great memories. Plus, your rings are so shiny and cute.
Okay, Sammy, I trust you. Here.
Thanks a million.
Wow, it's still spinning. Whoa, did you see that? It's some peg top magic. All right, let's keep going. We need a 5.5 centimeters radius circle. Sammy, where have you been?
I'm not in the mood for work. Hey! Fine.
A bit more lace here?
Hey, Barbie, I need help.
Oh, Sammy, can't you see I'm getting ready for the ball? What do you need?
See? I need to practice for the speedy cardboard cutting competition. I thought you'd help me.
Oh, I really don't have time for this. But okay, I can't say no to you.
In the meantime, guys, this is what I've got. Now let's cut it out. We need 2 pieces like this. And of course, we'd better make them bright.
And it's time. Let's count how many we've got.
Let's.
I've got 1, 2, 3. And what about you?
And I've got, just 1.
Do you really think you will win with such results? Here, go practice more. And I'll get back to my dresses.
Now let's put everything together. It's important to make sure that this piece goes like this. And this one should be placed upside down.
Sue, I'm done. Fast as flash.
Wow, yeah, that was really fast. They are also very neat. Did you cut them out yourself?
Of course, Sue. Who else?
All right, if you say so. These are the side pieces. They will make the whole thing look neat.
Hey, the glue matches your nails.
That's true. I didn't do it on purpose, though.
Sue, I found this piece in the corner. Are we gonna need it?
Why, thank you. I thought I forgot something. Ah, Sammy, could you get that?
Your memory spheres are delivered.
Thank you. Sammy, look how cute they are. Let's test one right away.
Come on, come on! Yes, it works!
Great! Now we need to assemble the tower. This part goes here. And a piece like this goes here.
Sue, I really want to help you, but all those pieces are so tiny. I'm afraid I'll mess it up.
Don't worry. I'll just use my magic and you will help me with something else. Deal? Now we need one more wall. And finally, the last wall.
Step aside. I'll add some color to make it bright. Bibbidi bobbidi whoosh! Wait, haven't we crafted something similar?
No, Sammy, it's a totally different craft. This will be the handle. A bit of magic to the mix. Ta-da! Awesome! Just a few final touches for convenience. The handle goes here. Works perfectly.
Sue, I got stuck. Help me, please.
Aw, poor thing. By the way, it's just what I need. Do you know what it is? It's the roof of our tower. It opens and closes easily. And this is a slide for the memory spheres. Let's test it. Yay! It works.
I came to help. Oh, I'd better be careful with this ladder. And this goes here.
Sammy, have you by any chance seen a piece that looks like these but bigger?
Oops! I thought it was a ladder.
Not quite. Check it out. And whoosh!
Huh? What am I doing here? Help!
I'm coming, Rapunzel! Rapunzel, let down your hair!
Okay. Is it enough?
A little bit more. Come on! I still can't reach it!
Guys, could you go play in a different place?
Rapunzel!
I need to start working on the second part of our craft. Sammy, I need your help.
I'm at your service.
I need those pieces I told you about.
Ah, got it!
I see what the problem is.
Hey, Ken, do you mind if I borrow some spare parts?
Take whatever you need.
Well. Nah, that's not it. Here they are. Great! Ugh, Sue will be glad. Thanks a million, Ken.
Anytime, buddy. See ya. Wait, I thought I had those parts here. Where did I put them?
Did you need these, Susie?
Yes, thanks. Let's keep working. And this piece needs to be cut. Now it goes here. And the top part. Now watch closely.
I know what it's gonna be. We've made it before.
Sammy, it's a totally different craft, okay?
Okay.
I just need to add some stoppers. It worked, just like what I imagined.
Sue, I've prepared the base. Take it.
Great job, Sammy. But let's cover it with some green grass. Voila! Now we just need to put it all together. This tower will go here. We also need some pieces to connect the parts of the craft.
Great! Let's test it. I can't wait any longer.
Patience! We're almost done, I promise.
Then I'll go for a walk while you're finishing here.
Oh, hi, Sammy. Want to join us? We're going to the beach.
Sure, I'll just grab my stuff. Sue, if anyone asks, I'm at the beach.
Wait, what is it in your bag?
Oh, I think it's a DIY beach chair or something.
No, it's not. Look, it's a fence. I only need to assemble it. All done. Now I'll put it in place. And the final touch.
No, Sue, this is the final touch. My memories, my name.
If you say so. Would you just look at this wonderful memory storage we've got?
Now, let's test it. I want to remember all our crafts. Wow, I can now recall everything we've ever crafted. Whoa, so cool.
So did you get inspired already?
Absolutely. Actually, a cool idea has just come to my mind. Gotta write it down. Oh, and like this video, guys. See you soon.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Of the magnets, and put some glue on top there. There we go. And this will stick our pom-pom in place. Now it's time to stick on his googly eyes. There we go, get lots of glue on there. There's one eye. Let's give him another eye. Lots of glue again. There we go, Mr. Bug. You got two eyes. There's our bug. Look at him. Hello. Great. Now let's make a racetrack with one of our bits of paper. Turn it over there, fold it in half, and cut down the middle very, very carefully. Because remember, scissors are sharp.
Be careful!
I'm being careful, Toki, don't worry. There we go. Right, and now put some glue on this, stick it onto this bit of card, and we're done! At the top of the pencil, like that. And then wrap round your pipe cleaner. Here we go, round and round and round and round and round and round. There we go, great. Okay, now it's time for the eyes. Where are they? They're in my bag, I just got them from the shop. Put some glue on them and stick on the eyes.
Hurry up!
Right, there's one eye. There's two eyes. There we go. And now we need to get our scissors and very carefully cut out a small triangle of yellow sponge. Be very careful because scissors are sharp.
Be careful!
There we go. This is going to be our beak. So if I put some glue on it, I can stick it on our pencil pet. There we go. It's done! And start wrapping it around your hand like this, round and round it goes, and then carefully slide it off your hand, get the small piece of wool and then tie it in the middle like that. There we go, tie it nice and tight, there, and then get a pair of scissors and very carefully cut through the loops there on both sides. There's one side, and here's the other side now. There we go, that gives us a fluffy bug. Now we need to glue on these googly eyes, like this. There's one googly eye, there's the other googly eye, and then if we get our sticky tack on the end of our pencil, there it is, we can push it on to our pencil bug. Phew, I made it.
Only just.
Air drying clay and roll it. That's right, I said roll it into a ball. Well, a kind of ball shape anyway. Then stick it down and squidge it into the shape you want. You can make any shape you like. I'm going to do that shape. It's kind of like a blobby triangle shape. Then get another bit of clay, not much this time, and roll into two eyes. There we go. 2 eyes. There we go. Right, and stick those on.
Faster, faster, faster.
I'm going as quick as I can. I'm just putting the eyes on. I'm not doing badly, you know. Right, there are the eyes. And get your pencil and put a dot there and a dot there. Yeah, the eyes are looking good. And then draw in a mouth like that. A little bit there, a little bit there. And the mouth is where the pencil goes. There you go, just in time.
Thank you, Mr. Maker.